Hey guys, this is Viking Fun back for another YouTube short. Today me and Leo are exploring this abandoned old sawmill. Yeah, this is definitely peculiar. Very, very peculiar. Okay, looks like Leo's above me, so that'll be part 2. Yeah, I see what he means by a lot of glass. So I'm gonna get up there because it's possible. I have to be really careful not to, fall. Alright guys, make sure you get me to 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, Viking Fun out. Alright guys, this is part 2 of exploring the abandoned sawmill. Yeah, this place has definitely had better days, I have to admit. Leo's over there doing whatever. Oh, man, this place is old. Surprised it didn't tear this thing down. I probably might. Yeah, the next short will be me going up there. Yeah, just wanted you guys to see this. Very interesting. And kind of sketchy, I have to admit. It's like an old abandoned couch. That's just weird. I definitely wouldn't want to sit on that couch. Alright guys, please get me to 100 subscribers. I'll really appreciate it. Alright guys, Viking Fun out. This is part 3 of exploring this abandoned sawmill. Holy bananas. This place is sketchy. Oh, Leo outside. He's obsessed over that rock. But look at this place. There's glass everywhere. I should be glad I'm not in Crocs or sandals. Yeah. I've never done this before. Going inside of an abandoned structure. And I probably never will again. Yeah, I don't feel like walking on this part. I think this might be the more dangerous part. So I'll just show you. This is really sketchy, guys. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this 3-part little sawmill series. Please give me to 100 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Alright guys, Viking Fun out. It's Viking Fun back from our YouTube short. This one is part 4 of exploring this abandoned sawmill. I know I said part 3 is the finale, but this is like the ultimate finale, I guess. So yeah, I'm just saying, if anyone comes here, be careful. This has been here the entire time. That right there, that piece of wood, that board, there's a nail on it, and that's what got me. So make sure because you don't want to know my DNA inside you. That'd be weird. So yeah, if anyone comes here, make sure you're prepared on like Ira's, like steel-toe boots and other stuff you would require exploring abandoned structures. Alright, so please help me get to 100 subscribers or more. I really appreciate it. Viking Fun out.